Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Settings and Privacy from your profile menu. This puts all controls in one place. Once prompted, authenticate with your password or 2FA to unlock sensitive options. Then tap Privacy and Safety. This is where you control discoverability, data sharing, and content visibility. Make sure to pause and note each section label, because Twitter groups key toggles like audience and tagging, direct messages, and data sharing. Now you're ready to change precise settings safely. Next, adjust who sees your tweets and how people contact you. Turn on Protect Your Tweets if you want followers-only visibility, because that prevents non-followers from viewing or resharing your content. For direct messages, choose whether anyone can message you or restrict to people you follow to reduce unwanted contact. Under Content, you can hide sensitive media and disable media previews in timelines. These choices reduce accidental exposure and improve your comfort while finish by limiting discoverability and third-party access to your account. Turn off options that let others find you by phone or email to reduce unsolicited contacts. Then open Apps and Sessions to revoke access for apps you don't recognize and sign out old devices to secure your account. Once done, save any changes and double-check by viewing your profile from a different account. If settings don't apply, clear app cache, update the app, or re-authenticate. That usually resolves sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.